Hello beautiful viewers, welcome to Hussain Academy. In my today's video I am going to explain about range. Range is the difference between the largest and the smallest number. Here the formulas are. This question is of individual series. Range is the difference between the largest and the smallest item. Formula is L minus S. Find the range of the variation and also compute the coefficient of range. So in the question they have given us to find out the range and also coefficient of range. 275, 200, 370, 240, 100, 290, 400, 500, 180, 350. So only one line is given, it means individual series. Solution. Step 1 in the calculation of range is arrange the data in the ascending order. The formula of range is L minus S. L is the largest number and S is the smallest number. So we have to identify which is the smallest and which is the largest number. Let's start solving this question. Step 1. Arrange the data in ascending order. The smallest number is 100. We have to write the numbers from the smallest to largest. After 100, 180, 200, 240, 275, 290, 350, 370, 400, 500. We have completed the first step, arranging the data in the ascending order. Step 2 is apply the formula. Range is equals to L minus S. L is equals to largest number, that is 500, and S is equals to smallest number, that is 100. According to the formula, 500 minus 100, 500 minus 100 will get 400. It means range is equals to 400. Deduct that value, 500 minus 100 will get 400 range. Hope you all understood the calculation of range. Here I am doing the calculation of coefficient of range. Formula for coefficient of range is L minus S divided by L plus S. Formula for coefficient of range is L minus S. L is the largest number. We know what is the largest number. We have 500 and smallest number is 100. Here we can see in the question the first step which we have arranged, largest is 500 and smallest is 100. So L is equals to 500, S is equals to 100. Apply these numbers in the formula L minus S, L plus S. Coefficient of range is equals to 500 minus 100, L plus S, 500 plus 100. Coefficient of range is equals to 500 minus 100 will get 400 and divided by 500 plus 100. 500 plus 100 will get 600. Coefficient of range is equals to, divide 400 by 600, will get the answer of coefficient of range. Answer is 0.667. We are done with the calculation of range in individual series. Now we will do the calculation of range and coefficient of range in continuous series. Continuous series, the question is find the range of variation of marks and also compute the coefficient of range. We know the formula of range and also coefficient of range. Formula of range is L minus S and formula of coefficient of range is L minus S divided by L plus S. Here marks 10 to 20, 20 to 30. Class intervals are the identification of continuous series. Number of students is the line of frequency 8, 16, 26, 20, 12, 10, 8. Let's start solving this question. In individual series or discrete series, we have to arrange the data first in ascending order. In continuous series, there is no need of arranging the data in the ascending order. Just from the given data, we have to identify the smallest number and the largest number. We have to check the largest and the smallest number in the marks line 10 to 20, 20 to 30 there. The largest number is 80, 70 to 80. In that 80 is the largest number and the smallest number is 10. Smallest number is 10. So we got both the values. Largest number is 80 and the smallest number is 10. Simply now just we have to apply the formula. So in continuous series, the steps are like just identify the numbers smallest and the largest, apply the formula. So simple. Range is equals to L minus S. L is the largest number. L is 80 and S is 10. Range is equals to 80 minus 10. When we deduct 80 minus 10, we'll get 70. Range is equals to 70. So after getting the value of range, now we'll calculate the coefficient of range. Formula for coefficient of range. Hope you all remember the formula. It's very simple. L minus S divided by L plus S. We have the values. L is 80, S is 10. In place of L, I am writing 80 and in place of S, I am writing 10 divided by 80 plus 10. 80 minus 10 will get 70. 80 plus 10 will get 90. Coefficient of range is equals to 70 by 90. We'll get the answer 0.77. So here we are done with the calculation. L minus S range formula, 80 minus 10 we get 70 and coefficient of range L minus S divided by L plus S, 80 minus 10 divided by 80 plus 10, 70 by 90, just divide the values, will get 0.77. This is continuous series and this one is the individual series. One line will be there, and in discrete series also same process. Hope my video is easy and simple. If you like my video, then please do like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.